Serum B9 folic acid. Have you ever considered how the levels of a single nutrient in your blood could significantly impact your health? Serum B9, commonly known as folic acid, is a critical indicator of your overall nutritional status and plays a vital role in numerous bodily functions. Understanding the importance of maintaining optimal serum B9 levels can help you take proactive steps toward better health and well-being. Folic acid, a synthetic form of vitamin B9, is essential for the production and repair of DNA and RNA, making it crucial for cell division and growth. It is particularly important during periods of rapid growth, such as pregnancy and infancy. However, the benefits of folic acid extend far beyond these stages. Maintaining adequate serum B9 levels supports the production of healthy red blood cells, helps prevent anemia, and can protect against certain types of cancers by ensuring proper DNA repair and cell replication. Low serum B9 levels can lead to a range of health issues. For example, a deficiency in folic acid can result in megaloblastic anemia, a condition where the body produces abnormally large red blood cells that cannot function properly. This can lead to symptoms such as fatigue, weakness, and shortness of breath. Additionally, inadequate folic acid levels are associated with elevated homocysteine levels, which is a risk factor for cardiovascular diseases. Moreover, adequate serum B9 levels are essential for cognitive health. Studies have shown that folic acid can help maintain cognitive function and may reduce the risk of cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. To ensure optimal serum B9 levels, it is important to consume a diet rich in folic acid. Leafy green vegetables, legumes, nuts, and fortified grains are excellent sources of this nutrient. In some cases, individuals may require supplementation, especially if they have certain health conditions or dietary restrictions that make it difficult to obtain sufficient folic acid from food alone. Regular monitoring of serum B9 levels can provide valuable insights into your nutritional status and help you take timely action to address any deficiencies. How might you adjust your diet or supplement routine to ensure you're getting enough folic acid? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below.